Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use with a boat trailer mount, in this case to go into the left rear of the boat. That would be the port side near the transom. So the multi-lift is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift can solve many problems. So the same lift we're using here to get you into the boat could be used on a mount on the deck of the boat itself. It could be used in a swimming pool. You might even use the same lift in a hot tub, or you might even use it in your RV. You could even use it to lift certain wheelchairs into certain vehicles, use it in your home. Lots and lots of different possibilities. So right now we're going to show you how the system works. All of this is removable. This is mounted right on the trailer here, and in the notes field down below, you're going to find a detailed video to show you more about that so you can really study what you're looking at. So the multi-lift here, this is detachable. These are all detachable. This portion stays with the vehicle. It's battery operated, so you don't have to worry about electricity and water. We're going to walk this right around. Now we've already put the sling in place, but the sling is a U-shaped sling. Goes around the user, so you don't need to lift anybody before you actually put the sling on. You simply put it around, sort of like a shawl. First step here, we're going to hook the sling up. It's a very simple process. Now, the easiest way to do this, to get the person in, you're going to want to be inside the boat if it's only a two-person operation with the user and the person providing the assistance. So I'm going to get in the boat. Hold as we raise. Never ever let go. Once the feet are over the gunnel of the boat, then we're going to move to our destination. In this case, we're going to want to go into the rear position here. So we're going to turn the user around. Once the feet are fully over the gunnel, now we're down on the vinyl. You got Velcro right on the lift there for your pendant. And we're ready to go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come down, show you how the lift is dismantled, pull it all back off, and then it's time to put the boat in the water. So right here we've got the pins. Simply release. Take the lift right off. You can stow that easily in your vehicle. You're going to want to make sure it's secure while the vehicle is in motion. Remove your pin right here. Safety pins must always be on when the lift is in use. And then you've got your mount right here. That's good and sturdy, and that's attached to the boat. You're going to want to watch the video in the notes field down below, as we mentioned, to get more details on exactly how that works. And again, this configuration can be very different from what you'll have in other configurations. So we can get people into the rear, we can get them into the driver's seat. It all depends on what your goals are. People want to go into the open bow of a boat, pontoon boats. We make deck mounts. We make deck mounts for pontoon boats to get a person down into the water. Lots and lots of different options. We hope you like what you've seen, and we hope you'll check out more information on our company. You can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. That's a great way to find out what we're up to. Our YouTube channel has over 4,500 different videos showing you every imaginable mobility solution that Access Unlimited makes. That's at youtube.com /AccessUN. You can follow us on Twitter at @AccessUN. We're on Instagram as Access Unlimited, one word. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. You can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. You can call us the old-fashioned way also, country code 1-607-669-4822. And evenings and weekends are no problem because that might be when you're available. And that's country code 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for learning about the multi-lift system. We hope you like what you've seen. Grab a barrel of popcorn and check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. Happy sailing.